How to insert table of contents in your Word. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will see how to add table of content for a document in Microsoft Word. So for that, you have some configurations to set up. Open your Word, and then first of all, you need to make sure of headings and subheadings. To mark the headings, you just have to select the heading and tap on heading 1 from the home button. Do the same for the subheadings as well and the other headings as well. You can set the subheading as H2, and similarly for other such heading you can select H3. Once you have selected heading 1, 2, 3 for all the subheadings and major headings, head over to a blank page in the top of the page or in the start. Once you have moved the cursor there, tap on References and then on Table of Contents. You can select built-in automatic content tables, and in just by that, you have added the table of contents. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.